Hey, welcome to Lesson 59. Today we're going to be working with fractions. So let's say you had a problem that looked like this. At first it might look a little scary, but I'll give you a little hint that might help you. So this might look new, but actually we've had problems like that, except instead of having fractions, notice how we have a fraction within a fraction. Instead of having those double fractions, we just had simple whole numbers in the numerators and denominators. Whereas in this problem, we have fractions in the numerators and fractions in most of our denominators. Well, it turns out we solve these equations exactly the same as if they were whole numbers. We take this top left fraction and multiply it by the bottom left fraction. So 2/3 times 1/5 equals 5/8 over times x. So it's these two fractions multiplied by each other are equal to these two. And that's the same way that we would solve a regular equation with just whole numbers. So it's kind of like a crisscross. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. We have 2/3 times 1/5 equals 5/8 x. We just have 2 or 15 on the left and 5/8 x on the right. We need to divide this whole side by 5/8 so it cancels, and we need to divide the left side as well. 2 over 15 times 8 over 5, because we always write the reciprocal. Can we simplify that? Not really. So we'd end up with 16 over 75 equals x. And that would be your final answer, since it cannot be simplified. So I think the scariest part of this lesson is that you're probably not used to seeing double fractions, but as I said, my little tip is just to put a little circle, just a little simple circle around each of those numerators and denominators, and to remember it's really no different as if it were a whole number. They're still cross multiplying. You're just having to work with fractions instead of whole numbers. Alright, well let me know if you have any questions.